how to easily teach your dog to roll over. Now, this is a pretty straightforward trick to teach. Prerequisite is for the dog to already know how to lay down. After that, it's pretty straightforward with 4 simple steps. Now, the first step is just having the dog lay down. The next step is going to be to show him a treat and get him interested in that treat. Then move the treat towards the dog's shoulder so that the dog naturally follows it with its nose, and that's going to cause the dog to almost roll over on its own, naturally turn. I'm going to demonstrate. So I'll have the dog roll over, I'm going to show him a treat, kind of get him interested in that treat, and then lead his nose towards his shoulder, and he naturally starts to roll. The last step is just to encourage the full roll. Now, once he's successful, of course, you give him the magic word. We're just using the word yes. Give him a lot of praise, and of course, give him the treat. Encourage the roll over, praise, said the magic word, and treat reinforcement. Now, dogs are going to have to do this 8, 9, 10 times in a row just to get it locked into their brain. After that, I'm going to reinforce it on a daily basis. What I do is every day before work and after work, I just run through all of the dog's tricks. Doesn't take much time at all, and it really reinforces in the dog's mind exactly what he has to do or what she has to do for each command. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYeasycrafts.com. I've got an assortment of do-it-yourself dog training videos on there. And again, thank you very much for watching.
Back there. You ready? Ready? Selfie. Good selfie. Now look up. Good selfie. Look up here. Good selfie. Yes.